In this video, we present the top 3 mobile applications that you can use for workout session at home or at the gym. Home exercises is particularly important during the pandemic. There are many paid applications, but here we focus on the most popular applications that have enough useful features in their free versions. The best application on our list is Nike Training Club. It has been around for a long time and is one of the most popular applications in this field. It is very easy to use with a simple and clean interface. Let me show you some of the nice features. You can categorize and filter the exercise very easily to find what you want. For example, I can choose based on equipment or choose no equipment. Then, there are several training sessions which you can browse inside to see the details and learn how to do each one correctly. You can play the whole sessions continuously and can mirror the videos directly to your TV screen. Let's have a look at this example more closely. For each category and plans that you choose, you can also filter the list of exercises in many ways, such as duration, equipment, level, format, intensity, and focus. The second application in our list is FitOn. Although it's a relatively younger application, it has many users. The application is very flashy and has a very nice user interface. It has many training sessions made by professional and famous trainers who talk to you during the sessions. Similarly, you have many categories and filtering alternatives to find your preferred exercises. It also has an online party mode where you can train the sessions together with your friends. The party mode is, however, only for the paid premium version. Anyways, the premium version of this app is also very cheap compared to other paid applications. Not only has a lot of exercises, but also good for keeping track of your workouts and your progress. It also offers a lot of free content such as video and articles to guide you and give you extra motivation. The third application in our list is Freeletics. Similar to the other two, it has all the useful features for free. The interface looks more suitable for a professional athlete. All in all, a very good and popular application. In this application, there are also many useful content such as video and articles that can motivate and guide you.
Making the decision to lose weight is a big one. It can bring up a lot of fear, a lot of uncertainty.
So if you want to try one application for your home workout, I definitely recommend you to go for Nike Training Club. I want to let you know that nothing in our list is sponsored and these apps are selected based on the rate and number of downloads. So if there is anything that you are recommended and is not in our list, make sure that you leave that on the comments below to help other people that are gonna watch this video.